First, download Virtual Chorister, then open it. Click the YouTube button. Paste the link that is your class's song. And when the song's up there, you'll want to put in one headphone and practice singing along. After you've practiced, you will need to record the whole thing. So I'm going to skip right to recording. I'm going to press the record button. Look at the camera. Notice I have it in portrait mode. I think it's easier to look good with your video if you have it tall instead of wide. You've got arm's length away. Speaking of choirs, I'll put this all together when you email them to me. Get it out of Virtual Chorister when you're done, after clicking the record button again to finish it. And here's my video. I'm going to pause it and share it. I'm going to send it through mail. It'll take a second to crunch, and you're going to send it to nathan.odner@bacs.school. And I will get them all from there. Please, in your subject line, put your name. And then send it. Oh, I have to put someone in there to send. There it is. Click send, you're done.